me bleaching my hair blonde. It was low-key a fail, but yeah, I'm using a BW2 140 volume developer. Mix that up till it's like a pancake consistency, and yeah, we about to get it popping. You should never have to hide. You know, I always have to have my little jam sessions. So yeah, once you do that, you're gonna just put it on your hair. This is where I messed up. I started off right, boom, right? But then y'all gonna see, like, as the video goes on, like, I forgot to get a mirror so I could see the back of my hair, or the back of my head. I also needed John's help, so I would say if you're doing this by yourself, try to get someone to help you. That way you can, oh, I forgot, Autumn was watching the movie, but yeah, so that you can get everything.
There's a universe inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion, I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation, you should live for all the hype. Inside you, why are you pushing it away? Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it, we'll explore in baby steps.
Just make sure you get everything. If you need help, call SOS, because you're gonna need help like I did, but I didn't call nobody. So yeah, that's like how my hair came out the way it did, but it's still cute or whatever it is. But you know, this is what you do. You do trial and error until you get it right. That's how I started with makeup, and now I'm starting it with my hair. Like, it's simple. But yeah, this is what it looks like all around, basically. As you can tell, like in the back, I should have put more, but I didn't know.
Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe.
Why you got the light? Because you're going to do a video?
Oh yeah, I'm recording it now.
Oh my god, I'm talking.
Mama, and I can mute you out.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm talking too.
Okay, you need to take out the fact that you have a plastic bag on your head that says key food.
It's alright, cause I ain't the only one. I be doing this, Mama, and
Hey,
gotta
your
show
wife is
the
out of
people.
control.
I'm blonde. But yeah, y'all see my mother-in-law judging me because I got a plastic bag on my head. Like, put it in the comments. Am I the only person, or do you put a plastic bag if you don't have a clear shower cap? Like, come on. I know I'm not the only person. So yeah, now I'm just putting the toner on. This is the Wella T18 toner. I was gonna leave it on for, what is it, like 30 minutes, but no, I didn't. I left it on for like 10-15 minutes. But yeah, I'm just putting it all over. I knew where to go anyway now. I was just nervous when I did the bleach because it's my first time doing the bleach on my own hair. But yeah, once the tone is on, okay, bought them. But yeah, once the tone is on, leave that in. And then washed it out, shampoo, conditioner, and yeah.
There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the hype.
But yeah, so this is the this is how purple got before I washed it out. And after it's washed out and stuff, this is what it looks like. Of course, I got like some patches, but it's okay.
All right. Don't be talking to me like that.